Welcome to my channel. My name is Annette and my website is purplepaisleyplanner.com. I will be posting new videos every Monday and Thursday. Today I'm showing my first impression of the Clever Fox Budget Planner. This is not a sponsored video, but I was sent the planner for free to check out. If this is what you're interested in, then keep watching. Okay. And let me give you the measurements. It's 5.8 by 8.3, 5.8 by 8.3, and this is even good enough to fit in my purse, so I could just stick it in my purse. Whenever I need it, I have it, so it's good enough to fit in my purse. I am so excited about receiving this, so let me open this up. I'm opening this up for the first time with everyone. Put that there. And then here's this. Look how nice. So I'm going to open this up right here. I use my little pick to get it started. There we go. Oh, this is really nice. And Clever Fox has a variety of different colors, which is extra nice. I really like this. So it's not just this color. There's a variety of extra colors, different colors. So this is the Clever Fox Budget Planner, undated monthly budget planner, and I love undated. And as you can see, it says set goals, create budget, take control, track spending, track savings, stay organized, feel happier. And then on the reverse side, it says Clever Fox Budget Planner. By using Clever Fox Budget Planner, you can take control of your finance, break your bad habit of bad spending, start saving money, stay focused on your financial goals, live happier and more fulfilling life, and more fulfilling life. And then it has 110 pages, 1-year budget planner, pocket for receipts, annual financial goals, money affirmation, strategy and tactics, saving tracker, debt payoff tracker, monthly budget, expense tracker, monthly review, and annual progress tracker. And what I like about this budget planner, you got a pin loop, so you can put your favorite pen in the pin loop. And it also comes with how to use the budget planner, which I really like. So it's telling you step by step how to use your budget planner. What I also like about this is nice and sturdy. It's soft. And when you open it, it says Clever Fox Budget Planner. It has an area to put your name, phone number, email, Facebook, and then your reward. So it found this, please be kind and return. And then it has it right there. And what's nice about this is right here it has my financial goals, and then it has your goals from 1 through 10. Then you have an area on dot grid, my mind map. Then you have an area, my strategy, new skills I need to learn to achieve my financial goals, my money affirmation for wealth and prosperity. Right here, it says my tactics, action I will take to earn more money, action I will take to cut my expenses. And here it has a savings tracker, saving for, amount needed, due date, date, deposit and balance, savings for, amount needed, due date, date, deposit and balance. And it's the same on the next page. Then you have your debt tracker, debt name, starting balance, minimum payment, date, amount paid, balance, debt name, starting balance, minimum payment, date, amount paid, and balance. And it's the same on the next page. Then you have a month and year, and it has this month's goals, checklist, income amount, savings amount. Then you have an area right here, which is a calendar. And then you have your monthly budget. And what's so nice about this here, they help you out with this. So you got an area for a month, mortgage and rent. You got insurance, maintenance, electricity, water, sewer, gas heating, waste removal, phone, and TV and internet. And then you got other spaces if you want to put something there. And then you got clothing, personal care, sports, and gym. So if you're working out, you can put all that there. And it has at the top, expense, budget, actual, expense, budgeted, actual. So I like that it breaks it down: groceries, dining out, personal, student, credit cards, insurance, medical, event and hobbies, car payment, insurance, fuel, maintenance, bus, train, taxi. Balance from last month, total income, total expenses, differences, total savings, balance, forward, my biggest win this month. Did I meet my budget? If not, why not? Did I achieve this month's goals? If not, why not? This is what I learned this month by tracking my expenses. I will do this within 1 month to improve. And then you got a dot grid page so you can map out your journey for that month. So which I really like this. I really do. And it does that for each month, which is good for a year. So I'm really liking this. This is really nice. If you're liking what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell. So yeah, and it's like this throughout for every month for the whole year. Also, at the back, they have a pocket which you could keep everything in. And this was included with the budget planner. So they got a code here that you could use, no hassle refund. So you have a warranty card, which is good for 60 days. So you have a warranty card, which is good for 60 days money back guarantee, which I really like. I really like that. And then they give you a thank you for your purchase, which is really nice. And then also they give you a sticker sheet. So look at this. And if you check out their shop, they also have extra stickers if you want to purchase more stickers. But this is nice. They get you going and get you started. And then you can put this back in your pocket. And then you got this band right here. So you could close this up like this. Oh, and not only just that, you have a ribbon right here. So you got this ribbon to mark your pages, a satin ribbon, and then you could close it up, and there you go. So you got your budget, your Clever Fox budget planner, undated monthly budget planner, which I just really like this. I really do. I have the link below. So if you're interested in this, just click on the link below and I'll put everything in the description. So I'm just loving this budget planner. If this is something you're interested in, check out the link. And thank you for watching. Again, this is Annette, Purple Paisley Planner. Everyone have a super blessed day. Bye-bye.